You can even send the SOS Morse code by tapping on one of these food clips. You can use one of these food clips to send the message. You can send the SOS Morse code by only pulling on the tab here of this clip. You might have to not show this message you're sending openly, so you'll do it more discreetly, and that's why it could be useful to do like this, where it doesn't make any sound. It's just about seeing it. So someone who sees this, they will understand that you're trying to send a message. You can use anything, and the easiest is to tap like that. Thanks for watching.